Bro. Jij doet echt awkward. Hey guys.
Hey guys. Hey guys. Today we're going to drive again with a W123 Mercedes.
And with me.
What?
And with me.
And with my girlfriend. There we go. It's a little it has just rained a bit, so the windows, as you can see, are a bit wet. Oh, nice! It runs butter smooth. And look at this, I've just replaced the windshield wipers. Oh, it's so nice. Yeah, they were literally falling apart, the old ones.
It was crazy.
So it was needed to replace them. And here the lovely engine sound. Nice. There we go. Oh.
So smooth.
Oh. I'm literally in love with this car. It's amazing. It's so apart. It's so weird that most people, they drive new cars, but I'm so happy to drive an old car. It's amazing. I just want to drive my own car. If I'm with friends, what are you doing? No. What I want to say is, if I'm with friends and they want to drive me to a place or something, I always say, oh, let's go with my car. I like it. I like to drive, but yeah, it's expensive to drive sometimes.
The weather is a little bit sad.
Yeah, it's a bit sad. But the car always makes me happy.
It's Friday 13.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, that's a bad thing. 13. It's a bad number. I don't believe in it, but
I do.
Yeah. You do?
A little bit.
Do you guys believe in that the 13 is a bad number?
No, not like that, because my jersey number is 13.
Jersey?
For volleyball.
Oh.
Yeah, my player number.
Yeah, he's a volleyball player. World Championship?
No.
Oh.
But Friday 13th,
yeah.
that's a... Hoe heet dat? Ongeluksdag.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
It's the unlucky day.
Yeah.
Let's go for a quick drive through this town. The town called Koudem.
Yes.
In the Netherlands, we call this Koudem.
That's a pretty house.
Pretty house. No, it's just a white house,
but from the front.
From the front, it's pretty. Yeah, what I think that I'm never going to buy a new car, like a new one. I never want a new car. So
no, you want a new Oldtimer.
From this time, I want a new Oldtimer, but never a new car. I think every of these people that you see driving right now, I think, but this one is enjoying it, but he didn't wave back. But he had an Oldtimer, Youngtimer. It was a VW, I think. But I think what I wanted to say. You think a lot. Yeah. I think that they didn't enjoy driving as much as I do in my Oldtimer. Everyone with a new car, they just drive to be everywhere, to be on a specific place, to get there and just drive. But I enjoy driving, so I don't mind to get in a how do I say it?
You don't mind to get in a what?
I don't mind to get in a file.
Yeah, what's that?
Yeah, my English is so bad sometimes, but what I want to say is
I forgot, but
that there are a lot of cars in traffic standing still. For me, it's not a problem. But I just stand still too. It's kind of frustrating to stand still in traffic, but yeah, with a new car you just think, oh, it's bad, now I'm coming late for work. But I think, oh, now I can vibe on the music in my old car for a bit longer. So you have, yeah, I think you get to enjoy driving an Oldtimer if you experience it. You know what I mean.
I never knew you could think so much.
No.
That's cool.
I think a lot.
Oh, yeah, I didn't know.
No. Yeah. And I have a quick announcement in this video.
We're pregnant.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to.
We're getting married, guys.
No, not yet. Okay, but I'm busy. What I wanted to say is that I'm busy making some clothes for this channel, for the Classic Drive. I'm making merchandise, and I hope you like it and you want to buy it to support me, and so I can make more videos like this. So I'm trying to make something that's, yeah, that everyone wants, that is nice, and not just a shirt with the Classic Drive on it, but really a shirt with a beautiful backprint or something, with a picture of an old car that everyone likes. And I'm busy making that, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm curious if you want it or not. I don't know if I can share it already. I think I will with that, but yeah, I hope you like it, and I can't wait to share it with you. And yeah, if it sounds good, I want to do it more and make more nice shirts, more nice clothes with Oldtimers on it. What I expected, what I saw is that there are not a lot of clothes with the W123 on it, and the clothes that there are, that they are not such good quality, and or the picture, the backprint is not so nice. So yeah, that was the moment when I thought I could make that better. So I hope it's nice. I'm like I said, I can't wait.
Very excited.
I'm very excited. Yes. I hope next week I get my first test, my first shirt, so I can try it on. And if it's nice, I'm going to make a website, and hope you find it nice too. But there we go. We go on the highway right now. There's a little bit of wind noise going on here, but I had to replace the windshield gasket, or how I need to say. I don't know how to say it, but I had to replace it. You understand? Yeah. The rubber is a bit old. But we're going 105 right now. I think we're going 100, but on the speedometer we go, yeah, we go 105, 108 right now. But I think if you have the navigation here, we go 100. But it's always a bit, there's always a bit difference in the speed on the speedometer and the speed in real time. I hope you can understand it. It's very loud.
It's fun.
I love to have the sunroof open in the summer.
It's rainy, a little bit.
But it's now, yeah, it's not the best weather to have the sunroof open.
This morning he was watching Instagram reels, and then he saw a video about a W123.
Yeah.
And his own videos were in there. It was an storytelling or something.
Yeah, but
with some random facts, and then he saw his own car.
It was not nice that they didn't ask me before to place it.
Yeah.
But in fact, I can now, talk to them and say, "Van, whoa, you stole my video." But
hey, if you're watching next time, can you maybe
next time
ask?
And give me a little, tag my name in your video or something. But it was very funny that I saw my car. It's a beautiful car. I know. It needs some maintenance, but maintenance. I have set a goal. I'm very busy right now to achieve that goal, to work, to earn a lot of money. But because I've set a goal to buy my dream car on this spring. On I hope before my birthday. I hope that I have my dream car at June. I hope I have my dream car at June, the 1st of June. That's my goal. I'm very busy working. I have my own business, editing for people, and I'm very busy to achieve the goal. I really hope it. And then I want to travel this summer and make content for you guys. And I hope to share a lot of videos from my dream car with you, and I really can't wait. Like I said, I hope to achieve the goal on the 1st of July.
Yes.
So I'm literally gonna cry if I have my dream car. I'm so happy then. Oh. The only thing in life that's keeping me busy right now is achieving my goal to buy my dream car. That's the only thing where I'm living for right now.
And I'm trying to get my license.
Yeah, so you can drive an old Merc too.
Guys, soon there's gonna be a POV drive from me.
Yeah, that would be cool. Oh, that would be nice.
Then I'm gonna drive, okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna sit there and you sit here driving.
But it's a hard test.
You did
in other
drive
countries,
a bit
in other countries
before?
it's way easier.
Yeah, in the Netherlands it's very difficult.
I already failed once.
Yeah, but on the theory.
Not driving.
No.
Because I have a test with like the rules of traffic, and if I pass the test, then I can drive.
But in America,
I can start driving lessons.
In America, to get your driver's license it's so easy.
But you can get it from 15 or something, way earlier.
Yeah,
you can drive without your parents if you're 18, and there you can drive if you're 16.
Yeah, I think I heard that. Yeah, but the thing is, here to get your driver's license, you pay like €2,500. 2,500 to get your driver's license.
And if you fail, you have to pay again.
You have to pay for the lessons, and you have to get around 40 lessons or something. That's medium, that's normal. To get 40 lessons to get your driver's license. And
every lesson costs also a lot of money. I don't really know how much exactly.
Because I didn't around 50 euros or something.
I didn't really look at that.
Or maybe more. No. But the thing is, I did 40 lessons, or maybe a little less, I think. But I had to go for my driver's lessons. I had to go with the train. Half an hour.
You have to bike 15 minutes, then you have to go with the train half an hour, you drive around, and then you go back half an hour and 15 minutes.
And the driver's lessons were about an hour. I have to bicycle 15 minutes and half an hour with the train, and then I had to go back again. And the train ticket was also at 10 euros or something.
But for me, that's free because my school pays that or something.
Oh, huh?
I have students.
That's very nice.
Yeah.
But it's it's expensive in.
But for now it's free. But if
it's a very expensive country.
If I if I start lessons in summer vacation, then it's not free.
Like the sound. No, never. But guys, there we are. We arrived at our spot to end the ride, and I hope you enjoyed this video. We're gonna park it here next to these cars. I'll drive a bit to the front. It's beautiful too here in the bush, in the green grass. And there we are. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's put the engine out.
Let's turn it off.
Let's turn it off.
Yeah.
That's right.
Wacht. No, a good one. Yeah.
Oh, that was very nice. And subscribe, like, share it with your friends, and bye.